Hello people, if you're here you probably have a problem like this. I don't know if you can see this pixels flickering. So I have an AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, I guess, 6 core 4.7 and it has these issues. It's a driver related problem. It started after messing with some graphic resolutions in a game. So yeah, whatever. Let me show you the solution. I guess it will probably work with the Adrenalin version as well, but I switched it to this Pro edition. Just go here. Display, and then here at pixel formats you choose the last one, this one, the ycbcr 420 pixel formats, and there you go. No pixels, no sound flickering. For now I'm just using the integrated graphics. It was so annoying. Okay, everything fine now, I guess. So yeah, that's it. Bye.